Hey, it's the Webmaster here coming at you, and we're going to do an unboxing video today. And I have an apprentice here, Mr. Jake. Say hello, Jake.
Hi.
We're going to do the GH5 N lens that we just picked up and going to use from video content creation. What do you think of that, buddy?
Good.
How about bringing out the boxes then?
Yay. Got one.
One, the 35 to 100 millimeter Lumix Panasonic lens. Very nice. And the second box?
And the camera.
And the camera. What do we have? The Panasonic Lumix GH5. That is impressive. Been waiting for this one to come out. And we have them now.
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
Yeah.
Should we go ahead and open them up?
Yeah, let's start this one.
Oh, you want to do with the lens first? Yeah. Well, the lens is the lens. It's got to have one. And we looked at a couple different ones. We thought about the Meta Bones adapter speed with the Sigma, but we ended up just keeping with this. I am a Canon normal DLSR. Oh, the lens, we got the, no one reads that. Standard stuff. Pull this stuff out. But anyway, we have the Canon lenses. Wow, this is light and small. And wow, pretty nifty.
Let's get the camera.
Well, hold on. Nifty little piece. See what it looks like. Very light. Of course, there's a million YouTube videos on this one, but the big thing is that it focuses and there's no throw to it as far as extending open. It's supposed to be a good lens, 35 to 100 millimeter. We're going to use and shoot with that one to start with. And then comes with a lens cap, lens hood. And then what else we got here?
Pieces.
Probably a bag or something. Yep, it's a bag. And very nice.
That is so cool.
Yeah, not many lenses that I have, probably because I have the cheaper lenses, come with a bag. So, very nice touch. Boom, boom. We're going to do some footage with it.
Only the big radio does.
Yes.
Big rodeo.
Oh, and then how about the camera itself? Wow, can't wait to use this. What do you think? What do you think we're going to shoot with this?
Can I open it?
Go ahead. Pull it open. Lots of stuff in here.
Whoa.
Pretty well packaged.
That's a lot.
Yeah, what's going on here? So, pull it this way, pull it that way.
Whoa.
Manual. What else we got here?
Well, that's probably a camera. And probably the
There's the
lens.
camera.
Yeah.
It's got a strap to it. Probably the usual chargers. Yep, chargers. Adapters. Not sure what that is. USB.
What's this?
That's a battery.
Oh.
So we're probably gonna have to charge it before we use it. So, but basically, the GH5 for 4K video, step up the program from what we used. We used a Canon 60D. Did you know that?
No.
And that's what we're recording with right now. We're gonna transition halfway. So we also upgrade our computer. We're getting a new computer from CyberPower PC. That's on the way. So for us, we're gonna do some video editing, and we do a lot of website design, but we're gonna do some more video editing. We're gonna test out this GH5 all weekend long at a competition, and we're gonna see the video quality on the 4K. So this is the show is actually starting tomorrow, and we're gonna have to get into it and just figure this thing out. Watch enough YouTube videos to get some idea.
Can I try to
Very
look
light.
in-
Wow, you see? Is there anything?
No.
No, me neither. Pretty sexy looking though, huh?
Yeah. You have to take that off.
Yeah, we're gonna take that off, but there it is. I've been waiting for this for a while.
Me too.
So we'll see how it works, and that's a quick, dirty unboxing, but we're gonna make it more than that because we're gonna
you
actually
could switch this like
Yep.
your camera.
articulating screen. That's a big selling point. In addition to the 4K. Did I say 4K yet? A couple times. I said
I don't
4K.
think so.
Yeah, so we're going to see how, the big reviews are is that the buttons work a lot better than the GH4. I almost bought the GH4 until I realized they were going to come out with the GH5. So I've been waiting about 8 months on this one. And,
I didn't know that.
Yeah, it is. You can find it out on YouTube. You can find out anything on YouTube. But so we're going to get some test footage with this, and then we're going to go through the whole process of upgrading our computer systems.
I know all about the guns.
Guns?
Because I know there's a lot of videos with guns.
Yeah, the running guns. That's what they call it it's a running gun. It's very light, and it's very durable, and it's weather sealed. It's got all kinds of stuff.
And it's like when you have the shooters, it looks like every video has a new shooter. It's like new shooters every time.
There's going to be a lot of new shooters out there with this little bad boy. So, well, we'll go on to the next section where we're going to actually get some test footage. That's where the strap goes. You know, put the strap on here, wrap it around there. GH5, say I'm the man because we got the GH5.
Yay.
But we're going to go in and get some test footage and link it up to this episode. And it's going to be a multi-part thing where, like I said, we're going to update our computer system with our new CyberPower PC that's on the way. And we're getting a nice 1080 Ti
then we will
card.
do another video.
And we'll do another video, that's right. So that's it for today. Check back soon, subscribe to our channel, check us out, the Webmaster E, your own personal webmaster. And video content creation, another great thing we have up our sleeve. Thanks. All right, this is the first official test of the new GH5. What do you have to say about that, buddy?
Good.
What are you gonna say?
I don't know.
Let's see the footage. Let's play the piano a little bit. Go ahead.
Yeah, let's do this. Ready, start.
Go ahead.
Oh, I'm terrified. No. Daddy, don't. Daddy, I only do down there, not down here. This is just two.
So this is factory settings, not even touch. All I did was pop in the battery and start recording. Now we'll see how far we can dial it in. What do you think?
Sure.
All done? You want to sing a song quick?
No.
How about the one you said about it being a kid?
No.
Come on, play your song about being a kid.
No.
Alright, well, I'm going to shut it off then. Last chance.
Fine.
Go for it.
I'm nervous.
Well, here, sing into the mic then.
No, I'm nervous for all that.
Alright, we'll let it go then.
Ding bum. How about like me, like this? Actually, this is a better view.
Shooter.